Hi everyone. Here is another set of simultaneous equation word problems because we are attempting to make these equations or make these word problems very easy for you so that whenever you see any word problem you wouldn't be in a very fuzzy situation wherever you don't know how to attempt it. So that's the agenda. So I'm producing as much videos as possible. So y'all can just pause the video, attempt the word problem, and then if there's any problem you all can follow me in the explanations. That's it. So let's start. Well, Raya drove to her holiday destination over a period of 5 days. Remember, on the first day, she travels a certain distance. Let the certain distance be x. On the second day, she travels half of that distance. That distance means the distance that she traveled on the first day. So, on the second day, distance traveled would be x by 2. On the third day, the third of that distance. So, on the third day, she travels a third of that distance. On the fourth day, 1/4 of the total distance. So, on the fourth day, she travels a quarter of the total distance. That we have to look at what is the total distance. So if you can see, if her destination was 1000 kilometer away, write an equation and solve it to how far she traveled on the first day. So here we go, that 1/4 of 1000 is going to be 250 kilometers, right? And then on the fifth day, 1/5 of the total distance. So on the fifth day, 1/5 of the total distance is going to be 200 kilometers. So this is the trajectory. This is the first distance that she traveled, then second distance, and the third distance, the fourth distance, and the fifth distance. They all should add up to 1000. So I will just place them over here. X plus x by 2 plus x by 3 plus 250 plus 200, that adds up to 1000. Now this is numerical, it can easily be added. That's going to be 450 and I'm going to take that away from 1000. That would give you 1000 take away 450 should be equal to x plus x by 2 plus x by 3, right? So what is 1000 take away 450? So it's going to be 50 and 9 take away 4 is 5, so 550. Now we'll take the LCM for this to solve. So I'm going to see that 6 should be the LCM. So 1 times 6 is 6, 6x plus 2 times 3, so 3x plus 3 times 2, so 2x. 6 plus 3 is 9 plus 2 is 11. 11x upon 6 is going to be 550. Now you know how to cross multiply. Either you cross multiply or multiply 6 on either sides to get rid of the 6 over here on the left hand side. It's going to be 11x is equal to 550 times 6. And then we will get rid of the 11 by dividing the whole equation by 11. So x is going to be 550 times 6 upon 11. 11 times 5 and 0. So 300 is the distance traveled in the first go. Second distance would be, so 300 is the first one. Second is 300 by 2, which is going to be 150. Third one is 300 by 3, which is going to be 100. And the fourth one we already know, which was 250 and then 200. Let's see if they add up to 1000. So I'll just place them in a synchronous manner. So 300, 150, 100, 250, 200. So 0, 5 and 5 add up to 10. So 2, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's it. Hence it is correct. And that's how you're supposed to do. These questions can come in numerical reasoning also. So you'll have to be very prepared for that. Next question is Kira King is X years old and her brother Henry is two-thirds of her age. So let's say Kira's age is X years, and then her brother Henry is how much? Two-thirds of X, and her sister Chloe is three times Henry's age. So Chloe should be 3 times two-third of x, which is going to be 2x, because 3 and 3 will cancel out. Then there are the twins who live next door, means they don't belong to this particular chain, but they are some other twins. So they are 5 years older than Kira. So if Kira was x, the twins are supposed to be of the same age but 5 years elder to Kira. Okay, so this is a twins age. Okay, now there are twins, so the are going to be twice of x plus 5, right? So now when you have the addition of the twins, so they say that if the sum of the ages of the children is equal to the sum of the ages of the twins, so we have already summed the ages of the twins, and the ages of the Kira and her brother and Chloe would be x plus two-third of x plus 2x. So 3x plus two-third of x, it's going to be 11x upon 3, and they say that they are equal. So 11x over 3 is equal to 2 times x plus 5, which is going to be 2x plus 10. 11x upon 3, multiply this over here. 11x is equal to 6x plus 10, sorry, 30. So 11x take away 6x is equal to 5x, which is equal to 30. X is going to be 6. That means Kira was 6 years of age. Henry was two-third of 6, which is going to be 4 years of age. Chloe was twice of thrice of Henry's age. So that's going to be 2 times 4, because it's over here, and that's going to be 8. Now the twins would be x plus 5. So the twins age would be 6 plus 5, that is 11 years. So we have found the ages of all the children. Last question, interesting one. If I multiply my age in 5 years time by 4, so let my present age be x. 5 years hence would be x plus 5. And then if I multiply that by 4, the resulting age is my grandfather's age now. If my grandfather is currently 88 years old, so grandfather's age now is 88 years old, and that would be my age when I'll be 5 years ahead. If you multiply that by 4, that will be the age of the grandfather. So this is how the equation is designed. So 4 times x plus 20 is equal to 88. So 88 take away 20 is going to be 68. That is 4x. So x is going to be 68 upon 4. 4 ones are 4 and 4 sevens are 28. So my present age is 17 years old. These age questions always give you clarity, and also the blood relation questions always give you the clarity of how to proceed in the word problems section. So as many questions you will practice, you will be as much way ahead from the crowd. That's it, guys. I'll see you in the next session.